Welcome to my channel, my friends. Today I am bringing you something that will absolutely blow your mind. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a revolution on wheels. Meet the 2026 Kenworth T2000 double-floor motorhome. A true $2 million rolling mansion that has redefined what road luxury means. From 2 floors of pure comfort to a kitchen, bedrooms and bathrooms that rival 5-star hotels, this masterpiece is all about living your dreams on the road. So sit back, relax, and let's take a deep dive into this extraordinary motorhome. Paragraph 1. The 2026 Kenworth T2000 double-floor motorhome, 10 lines. The first thing that grabs your attention is the size and presence of this giant on wheels. The 2026 Kenworth T2000 double-floor motorhome is not just large, it's commanding, bold, and futuristic. With 2 full levels of living space, it feels less like a motorhome and more like a luxury villa rolling down the highway. The exterior design combines strength and elegance with sleek lines and modern lighting that makes it stand out everywhere it goes. Built with premium materials, its engineering promises durability as well as luxury. The double-floor design is a game-changer, offering a spacious interior unlike anything else on the road. From the outside alone, you know this is not an ordinary RV. It's a statement of power, wealth, and innovation. Every angle speaks sophistication and every detail whispers exclusivity. Paragraph 2. The kitchen, 10 lines. Step inside, and the kitchen greets you with pure opulence. This isn't your standard compact RV kitchen. It's a full-sized culinary paradise. Outfitted with state-of-the-art appliances, including a smart refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, and even a built-in coffee machine, it makes cooking a delight. The countertops are crafted from polished marble, while custom cabinets provide abundant storage. The lighting is warm and modern, turning even a midnight snack into a luxurious experience. A spacious dining area complements the kitchen, allowing you to enjoy meals like you would in a fine restaurant. This kitchen isn't just functional, it's designed for those who want to bring fine dining with them wherever they travel. Whether you're cooking for yourself or entertaining guests, the space screams elegance and efficiency combined. Paragraph 3. The bedroom, 10 lines. Move to the bedroom, and you'll feel like you've stepped into a boutique hotel suite. Plush king-size bedding, premium upholstery, and mood lighting create an atmosphere of relaxation and class. There are panoramic windows offering breathtaking views of nature, giving you the feeling of being in a luxury penthouse on wheels. Built-in wardrobes ensure you can store clothing and essentials with ease. The smart climate control system keeps the bedroom at your perfect temperature, whether in the desert or the mountains. With soundproofing, you can sleep peacefully no matter where you're parked. The fine craftsmanship in every corner reflects attention to detail, making it more than a place to rest. It's a sanctuary. This bedroom makes you forget you're even in a motorhome. It feels like home. Only better. Paragraph 4. The bathrooms, 10 lines. Now, the bathrooms inside this Kenworth masterpiece are something else entirely. Forget tiny cramped RV restrooms, this is spy-level luxury. With marble flooring, glass shower enclosures, and high-end fixtures, every detail has been carefully designed. The showers offer rainfall heads with adjustable water pressure for a refreshing experience. A large vanity mirror with LED lighting makes it perfect for grooming, while heated towel racks add another touch of comfort. The toilets are modern and water-efficient, combining style with practicality. You'll also find ample storage for toiletries, keeping everything neatly organized. The design feels more like a 5-star hotel bathroom than something inside a vehicle. Clean, elegant, and functional, these bathrooms redefine expectations, now repeating again as requested. Paragraph 5. The 2026 Kenworth T2000 double-floor motorhome, second time, 10 lines. Once again, let's step back and admire the grand design of the Kenworth T2000 double-floor motorhome. Its towering presence on the road sets it apart instantly. The futuristic bodywork, aerodynamic lines, and commanding height make it look more like a luxury yacht than an RV. Every inch of the vehicle has been engineered for strength, safety, and efficiency. But beyond engineering, it's the luxury that takes your breath away. The double-floor design allows for unmatched spaciousness, creating the feeling of a home that moves with you. It's not just a travel vehicle, it's a lifestyle statement. Wherever this Kenworth goes, it turns heads. From long highways to exotic destinations, this motorhome delivers an experience like no other. Paragraph 6. Kitchen, Second time, 10 lines. Back to the kitchen once again because it truly deserves the spotlight. The second look reveals just how much thought has gone into making this space functional and beautiful. The integration of smart technology means you can control appliances with voice commands or through a touchscreen. The refrigerator is large enough for extended trips while the stove is powerful yet energy efficient. Countertops remain spacious, giving enough room for gourmet cooking. The kitchen is designed for mobility, with secure latches and shockproof fixtures to prevent any mess on the road. Every inch of the kitchen has been crafted for convenience without sacrificing elegance. Imagine making a 3-course meal while parked in front of a lake. This kitchen makes it possible. Paragraph 7. Bedroom. Second time, 10 lines. The bedroom once again captures the true essence of comfort on wheels. From luxury fabrics to rich wooden finishes, the vibe is modern yet warm. Adjustable lighting lets you set the perfect mood, whether for reading or relaxing. The spacious design means you don't feel cramped at all, unlike traditional RVs. You wake up with scenic views, thanks to the large panoramic windows. A hidden entertainment system with a smart TV adds to the room's modern appeal. With built-in USB ports and wireless charging, your gadgets are always ready. The bedding itself feels like sinking into a cloud, ensuring restful nights. This is not just a bedroom. It's a retreat crafted to perfection. Paragraph 8. Bathrooms. Second time, 10 lines. The bathrooms continue to impress on a second look. The design blends function with glamour, making them an attraction on their own. You'll find dual sinks in the master bath, giving a luxury home vibe. The rainfall showers remain a highlight, providing a rejuvenating experience after a long day of travel. Smart mirrors with anti-fog features ensure clear reflection every time. The materials from marble tiles to chrome fittings speak of extravagance. Even the smallest storage spaces are designed with elegance. There's a sense of space and freshness that traditional motorhomes simply don't offer. These bathrooms prove that luxury doesn't need to stop at the living room. It follows you into every corner. Paragraph 9. Final. Look at the Kenworth T2000 double floor motorhome, 10 lines. And now, as we take a final look at this groundbreaking creation, it's clear that the 2026 Kenworth T2000 double-floor motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a revolution. It blends innovation, comfort, and luxury into one magnificent package. Every space, from the kitchen to the bathroom, is designed to perfection. It offers the ultimate freedom of travel without sacrificing the lifestyle of a millionaire. It's a rolling mansion that sets a new benchmark in the motorhome industry. For those who seek the best of both worlds, mobility and luxury, this Kenworth stands unmatched. Owning this motorhome isn't just about travel. It's about making a statement. Paragraph 10, ending, final wrap-up, 10 lines. So there you have it. The world's first double-floor Kenworth motorhome, the $2 million rolling mansion. A dream vehicle for those who dare to redefine travel. If you love innovation, comfort, and the finest luxuries, this motorhome was built for you. From the futuristic design to the 5-star amenities, every inch tells a story of excellence. This is not just about reaching your destination, it's about enjoying every moment of the journey. Would you like to own a motorhome like this someday? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more luxury motorhome reviews. Until next time, keep dreaming big and traveling in style.